Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can hide your Instagram Reels from someone, so let's get right into it. Now, this is a bit more complicated than hiding your stories, for example, however, it is still very possible. Now, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to start creating a reel, record a short meaningless video, then click next, and I'm going to tap next again. Now, once we're here, if you want to hide it from somebody before you post it so that person won't be able to see it, however, everybody else will be able to see it, you can scroll down until you get to audience and then select close friends, and you want to make sure that that person who you're trying to hide the reel from is not in your close friends. Once you set it to this, only your close friends will be able to view it and that person will be excluded. Now, I'll just go back really quickly and I'm gonna just scrap this video. And if you've already posted a reel but still want to hide it, this will hide it from everybody. But if you don't have any other options, that's good enough. The only options you have from here are either deleting the reel or archiving it. And the way you archive it is you just tap on the reel that you want to archive, then click on the three dots, then click on manage, and then at the bottom, as you can see, you have the option to archive it. Tap on that and it's going to give you a prompt. It'll say that you can remove this reel from the archive at any time. Any remixes with this reel will be deleted, as well as other reels that use this reel's audio will be muted. And once you restore it from the archive, it'll be restored as well. So let me just archive it. And as you can see now, it's archived and it's within my archive, and you can locate it by going to your profile options, then of course going into the archive, clicking here and selecting the posts archive, and now you can see the reel right over here. Let me just enter it really quickly, go into manage, and I'm going to click show on profile, click it again, and as you can see now that reel has been restored and people will be able to view it once again. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.